This one over there is Katie. Let's see if I can hit Katie. Um. Peg. Oh yeah!
So, we have just got back to the 8 diagram field. And it's absolutely beautiful here. It's, what is it? Wednesday. It's Wednesday afternoon, evening. It's like hardly anybody here now. It's a bit dark, but it got very warm. Very humid. So I'm gonna just take you around today. A very short video. Just show you around. It's beautiful. Come on, let's go.
I'm from England.
Oh, England. Oh,
And he is from Hungary.
I'm Hungarian.
oh Hungary.
Oh, look at that Katie.
Kitty. Look, it's a cat. Hello, cat. It's a pig here. Hello. Oh, hello. Hello, cat. Nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you, cat.